meghalayapost.news.
अंदर का पॉकेट में किया था keep
Kum ka jing teng bani kun tma persya Ioh Drok badak bayu lum jing tip ke babnya ki pulit ker boy nin kamin ki lio ban kem yo wei Nongkhaïi Drok bawan na guati ban kiu shanong ba shillong na ka wei ka kalituris kat bau dang poi hamot lum bahap ha ka surok ba National Highway 6 haribo display une Nongkhaïi Drok la tip ker teng kum uraja spol na gajla sam bat ki pulit ka pelong ye ka jing penap srip ka de hedin ba ki lio jing tip ke babnya bau de Nongkhaïi Drok kumbala pentip do he pulit ke boy UBS rafur laong hadin beliau jing tip ke babnya la pelong ke jing penap strip mau tunum bat ban bat ya ke wi ke kalitoris blasong dau te Nongkhaïi Drok bat ha ke jing Khynra nau te Nongkhaïi Drok la yo ban kurup hadu lai punriu point lai gram Drok Heroin bala kurup ru ya ke wi ke mobile phone ke bab pendel kam dau te Nongkhaïi Drok.
Yesterday we got some source information that one suspect is expected to travel from Guwahati to Shillong with a consignment of suspected contraband. So accordingly we did our investigation and then placed a naka on NH6 just ahead of Nongpoh town, and we found this suspect traveling in a tourist taxi, and in presence of witnesses all the procedures were completed and we recovered approximately 36 grams suspected heroin, and one mobile phone was also seized from him. And after completing all the formalities on the spot, we have registered a case. We have formally arrested him and he'll be produced in the court today, and the investigation is going on. Some more arrests are likely within next few days.
meghalayapost.news.